Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use XP Doublers in Brawl Stars. Well, first of all, XP Doublers are a great thing for you to level up easily in Brawl Stars. But how to use them? As you can see in the shop icon in the top left corner of the screen, once you scroll up until the end, you will see all the available XP Doublers your account have. But how to use this? You just simply need to click the play button here. And then for every single game that you do, these XP doublers will be automatically used once you finish every single game. So for example, as I will finish this game, my XP doubler will automatically be reduced or will be used. And that's it. That's how you can use your XP doubler in Brawl Stars, and thank you for listening.